In this video, we're going to spice up the motion matching template and change your project from this into this. Right, okay, so with our little weird montage out of the way, what we're going to be doing is changing from the default character in our motion matching template into a Metahuman. So the first thing we need to do is go into the plugins and enable the Metahuman plugin. Once you've done that, it's going to prompt you to restart. So once you've restarted, we need to go into Window and Quixel Bridge, and we're going to import our Metahuman. So I've already downloaded mine. You can either create a custom one or use a default one. I'm going to use this guy that I used in my last video, so I've already downloaded it. So just click the blue cross underneath the Metahuman, and we're going to add it to our project. Once that's done, we need to open the content browser by pressing Control and space. We're going to go over to Blueprints, and we're going to find the retargeted characters. And I'm just going to look for the one that says CBP sandbox character underscore Metahuman, or whatever it is. And we're just going to press Control and D to duplicate it. So as you can see, I've just duplicated it here, and we're going to rename it whatever you want at the end. I'm going to name it Carl A, or no, in fact, actually I'm going to name it AOI. I still can't pronounce his name. Once you've done that, just open it up. We're going to select the body all the way down to the beard and click delete. Drag that up there, dock it, and we're going to delete the LOD sync as well. So this is in the duplicated one. Right, okay, let's compile, and we're going to go over to our Metahumans, and the one we just imported, AOI, whatever he's called. I really do need a name for him. We're just going to open this up. We're going to select body all the way down to LOD sync. If you press Shift, you can select everything, and then let's press Control C to copy it all, and then we're going to select the capsule component and press Control V or just paste it, and you should have something that looks just like this. Now we need to position our character, so what you can do is just position it manually, or you can do what I do and use these default values. So let's just select the body, and I'm just going to move him down here, and I think that it needs to be -90 and -89, but I'm just going to do -90 and -90 here, and it should just look something like that. So that's looking pretty good. Okay, so we're just going to compile and save, and once we've done that, we need to apply a animation blueprint, I do believe. So on the right hand side, we don't have a animation blueprint, and it just says none for now. So we're just going to go over here, select that, and we're going to go A, B, P, and it's going to be generic retarget. So let's compile and save as always. Now we need to go into the details panel and search tag, and I'm going to click the little plus icon to add element, and we're going to rename this something very specific that I'll put in the description. So it needs to be exactly how I spell it, and it is also case sensitive, and it is RTG UEFN to Metahuman, and it's obviously case sensitive, and you're better off basically just copy and pasting it instead of typing it, because it will cause errors. Okay, so now we need to edit our construction script. So let me just have a look and find it. It is the construction script on the left hand side, or you can click the tab at the top just like I did, and we're going to replace these master poses with each of our body components. Okay, so on the left hand side, as you can see, there's body, legs, feet, and we need to drag body into the first one. So on the left hand side, let's grab body, sorry, not body, torso, and that is from the body, and we're going to grab legs and drag it into the second one, and we're going to get feet and drag it into the third, just like that. Okay, so compile and save. Now we need to open up the enable master pose, and we're going to zoom in here, and we just need to replace this one with body. That's what I got mixed up. Okay, so let's go back into here. We're going to select body and drag it onto mesh, and that is really important because nothing will work otherwise. Okay, now let's go into our widgets, and we need to open the game animation widget. This is just so we can select our new character on the right hand side. So if we just select this, press Ctrl C and Ctrl V, it'll paste it and make a new slot. So copy and paste it, just like this, and as you can see we have the same slot. And what I'm going to do, instead of selecting a character from the drop down here on the right hand side and typing it in and messing about, we are just going to open up our folders and we're going to go to Metahumans, BP AOI, and just select this little arrow here, and it'll just give us our little icon. Once we've done that, we are pretty much set to go. All we need to do is now change the default character in the map. So let's just play, and as you can see, it's not changed anything. And if we go here and click this, it will not do anything. Okay, that is because we have not changed our default character. And after messing about for a long time, we need to go to World Settings, the selected game mode, default pawn class, and select our sandbox character Metahuman, the one we duplicated before. And there we go. We now have a working Metahuman with all the retargeted animations from the game animation sample or the motion matching sample, and we can just run over there. We can use obviously all the traversal stuff and mantle and basically just do everything. So that is good to go. If you're interested in any other videos, check out the content on my channel. Thank you for watching, leave a like, and I'll catch you later. Goodbye.